A short history of computers. Introduction. Welcome to this detailed video exploring the fascinating history of computers. Have you ever stopped to think about how computers evolved from ancient counting tools to the powerful devices we use today? From simple calculations to solving complex problems and driving global industries, computers have transformed every aspect of our lives. In this video, we'll take you on an epic journey through the milestones that shaped computing, breaking it down into different eras, each with groundbreaking innovations. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the devices you use daily, this video will provide an easy-to-understand yet deep dive into the short history of computers. The origins of computing, ancient and early devices. Before electronic computers, humans relied on tools and techniques to simplify calculations. Let's start by looking at these early computational aids. 1. The abacus. Circa 2400 BCE. One of the earliest tools invented for calculations, the abacus originated in Mesopotamia. It consisted of rows of beads that could be moved to perform basic arithmetic, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Used in ancient China, Greece, and Rome, the abacus remained a powerful tool for centuries and is still used in some parts of the world for mental math training. 2. Napier's bones. 1617. Invented by Scottish mathematician John Napier, this tool used rods inscribed with numbers to help with multiplication and division. 3. The slide rule. 1622. This analog device based on logarithmic scales was a staple for engineers and scientists until electronic calculators replaced it in the 1970s. 4. The mechanical calculators. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, created the Pascalin. In 1642, one of the earliest mechanical calculators that used gears to perform basic operations. In the late 1600s, German polymath Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved upon Pascal's design with the step reckoner, a machine capable of performing all 4 arithmetic operations. Revolutionary ideas, the concept of programmable machines. Moving into the 19th century, we see the emergence of ideas that laid the foundation for modern computing. 1. The Jacquard loom. 1804. Invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard, this loom used punched cards to control patterns in woven fabric. While it wasn't a computer, it introduced the concept of using external instructions to control a machine, which would later inspire computer programming. 2. Charles Babbage and the analytical engine. In the 1820s, Charles Babbage designed the difference engine, a mechanical machine to compute mathematical tables. By the 1830s, he conceptualized the analytical engine, a more advanced machine with features like a central processing unit, CPU, and memory. Although never built during his lifetime, it was the first design of a general-purpose programmable computer. 3. Ada Lovelace, the first programmer. Working alongside Babbage, Ada Lovelace recognized the potential of the analytical engine to perform tasks beyond arithmetic. She wrote algorithms for the machine and is often celebrated as the world's first computer programmer. The dawn of modern computers, the first generation, 1930s, 1940s. The early 20th century saw the invention of the first electronic computers, driven by the demands of science, engineering, and war. 1. The Turing machine, 1936. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, proposed a theoretical model called the Turing machine. It introduced the idea that a machine could solve any mathematical problem if given the right instructions. This concept underpins modern computer science. 2. The first electronic computers. Zusi Z3, 1941. Created by Konrad Zuse in Germany, it was the first programmable digital computer. Colossus, 1944. Built during World War II, this British computer helped crack German codes. ENIAC, 1945. The first general-purpose electronic computer, ENIAC, was designed to solve complex calculations for the U.S. Army. It weighed 30 tons and used over 18,000 vacuum tubes. The second generation of computers, 1950s, 1960s. The invention of the transistor. In 1947, by Bell Labs, revolutionized computing. Transistors replaced bulky vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. These computers were used primarily in research, business, and government. Key examples include UNIVAC, 1951. The first computer designed for commercial use. IBM 1401, 1959. An affordable and widely used computer that helped popularize the use of computers in businesses. The third generation of computers, 1960s, 1970s. With the development of the integrated circuit IC, computers became even more compact and powerful. An IC combined multiple transistors on a single chip, reducing costs and size. Mainframe computers. Machines like the IBM System 360 dominated this era and were used in industries for data processing. Introduction of software. Programming languages like COBOL and Fortran became widespread, enabling businesses to create custom applications. The fourth generation of computers, 1970s, present. The invention of the microprocessor. In 1971 by Intel was a turning point. A microprocessor combined the CPU, memory, and input-output controls on a single chip. 1. The personal computer, PC revolution. Altair, 8800, 1975. The first personal computer that sparked widespread interest. Apple II, 1977. A user-friendly machine that gained popularity in homes and schools. IBM PC, 1981, standardized personal computing for businesses and consumers. 2. Advancements in user interfaces. The introduction of graphical user interfaces, GUIs, in the 1980s made computers accessible to non-technical users. Computers like the Apple Macintosh and Windows PCs revolutionized usability. The Internet era, 1990s, 2000s. The rise of the Internet transformed computers into communication and entertainment hubs. World Wide Web. Introduced in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, the web allowed users to browse and share information globally. Laptops and portability. Computers became more portable, enabling work and entertainment on the go. Modern computing and beyond. Today, computers are ubiquitous, powering everything from smartphones to artificial intelligence systems. Artificial intelligence, AI. Machines can now learn, reason, and solve problems, enabling breakthroughs in healthcare, transportation, and more. Quantum computing. A new frontier in computing that uses quantum mechanics to solve problems traditional computers cannot. Conclusion. The journey of computers, from ancient tools like the abacus to today's quantum machines, reflects humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation. Each milestone has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, transforming our world in unimaginable ways. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: computers will continue to evolve, shaping the way we live, work, and think. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the history of computers.